Hello, hello, can you hear me? We spent the last couple of days in Kariba doing some shopping with some friends. We had a look at the dam wall, a couple of sites around here, and we stayed at the Warthogs campsite. This is the view. You can see the beautiful lake behind you. There's hippo down there. There's a lot of animal movement through the campsite. There's quite a lot going on here, but no predators. You don't have nothing to be scared of except maybe the elephants and the hippos. Beautiful area here, communal area that you can come to. Got a nice swimming pool, which I think would be really good in summer. Places to sit, and at the back there is the reception and a little restaurant and a bar. The Zambezi beers here are $2, so a bit more expensive than other places we've stayed at. And we had cheeseburgers and chips here. We've had them twice, really good, and they're $7, so that's also good value for money. The campsites, there's only a few campsites, mainly grassed, with PowerPoints, reasonable ablutions. The camping fee to stay here night is $10 per person, which includes your use of electricity. So we've got quite big batteries on our car. We've got over 600 amp hours. Quite hard unless you're doing proper driving every day, even with a 50 amp charger, to keep those up and full. And it really helps to be able to spend the night at a place that has a plug-in point that you can get those batteries up nice and full on AC. And my car has a facility that as soon as I plug in the AC, my 2 fridges and the Starlink and everything goes onto AC. So not only am I not draining the battery with anything that I'm using, but I'm putting in I've got a 25 amp hour or 25 amp charger. So just one night and I'm up and running again. Let's take a walk around and have a look. Let's go into the men's bathroom. Have a look there. We come in, there's a little basin and a mirror. No electricity outlets in here of any description. The lighting is solar light. Little bit grubby, the wooden bits on the side there. I wouldn't really want to put any of my toiletries down there or anything like that. Could be improved. Here's the shower cubicle. Nothing wrong, nice and clean. Donkey boiler out the back. They stoke the fire in the morning and the evening, so plenty of hot water. And if you wanted to shower at an obscure time and there wasn't any hot water, you could make a fire yourself in there, wait 20 minutes, it'll be hot. The toilet on this side, clean, operates, flushes well, nothing wrong with it. The ablution is generally clean. We find that if a place starts clean, is maintained clean, obviously looked after, then it stays like that. People look after it. There's plenty of hooks. You hang your stuff up outside and inside the shower door as well. There's plenty of hooks while you're showering to hang your stuff up and hang your clothes. Overall, we've had a great few days here. It's mostly peaceful. There is a bit of music going on from locals in the area in the evening. It can be a bit annoying, but it doesn't go until late at night. We haven't been here on a weekend, but certainly on the week it doesn't go until late at night. A nice place, and if you don't want to cook, you can go to the restaurant. That's quite handy. It's open till 9 at night, so to go and have a sundowner there is always good. And campsite wise, we've been very happy. I suppose the only negative is the muddy patches we walk through, but I think that's temporary. You really don't need to leave here other than go and do your shopping. You can spend 2 days here and just relax and unwind, plug your car in. They sell firewood here. We've had some nice braais in the evening, barbecues. It's all been pretty good. We're very happy with the security arrangement. There's 2 guards that walk around at night. They come and introduce themselves. They've got torches. I'm not sure they're keeping people out. I think they're more on guard for the hippos and elephants that come through, and then if you were up or still awake, they would warn you of that. But if you get out of your tent at 2 in the morning or something to go to the bathroom, then you quickly see here comes a torch and a guard to come and check you as you walk along, which is quite comforting. We've been very happy with that. So overall, a great place to come and stop. We'll certainly be back if we're in this area again.